Have you ever wondered how to do a proper tenant check-in? Well, that's what we're here today at the 4 unit to do, and join along. I'll show you how I do it. Step 1, check the mailbox key. Make sure you're giving the tenant the correct key. Might be replacing a lock here. There we go, we got a winner. All right, so we got our mailbox key. Jackpot. No, it's the one with the special thing on it. That's obvious, because we just had to replace it. So we have 2 keys. We got a mailbox key. It's the one marked vacant downstairs, number 4, and then key works the back door and also the front door. Sink and everything is good. I know this is a little jacked up here, so.
Not too worried.
New plumbing lines were just installed, so nothing crazy there. Stove. Get there, give that a second. Fridge is up and running. I just plugged that in when I got here. Nice and cold. You can check it if you want.
I definitely believe it.
Yeah, it's working.
It's freezing already.
Yeah, it's not warm out. All right, I got heat, I got heat, I got heat and heat. And nice and warm in there. Off. All right, and bathroom. So shower is just nice and clean and good to go. Biggest thing I ask is just keep an eye on the corners, especially the low stuff. If you see any gaps or anything, let me know and I'll come out and caulk it.
Okay.
Once you get furniture moved in and the heat turned up, a lot of that will fix itself. But when it's hot, cold, it breaks it.
Gotcha.
So everything's new here. New light, vanity, same as you've seen before. But, looks like they didn't finish cleaning out everything. So you got some mouthwash and some hairspray and some drain cleaner.
Free stuff?
Yeah.
Yes, and yes.
Right, and some hand soap. So everything's good here. This is pretty self-explanatory here, right? That's what I figured, but.
You know people.
Closet hangers, they left a bunch of them previously. I'm like, well, they're not discolored, so I'm like, somebody else wants them? Great, use them. New knobs on all of the baseboards. New smoke detector here. Bulbs are good and everything. Smoke detector there. So yeah, that is it. And then, so now we need checks, insurance, and all that other fun stuff. Stepping out back here. So obviously you got your fire exit, and then, which panel? I think it's this panel. We're gonna find out. There we go. All right, so yes, panel here. So if you need anything, if anything's not working for whatever reason, check here first.
Okay.
So if any of these are like halfway or they're kind of loose or something, now the heat might actually work better. Glad I checked
Good,
that.
I was about to say good.
I was like, I'm gonna say, you're gonna call me in like a week or two and be like, hey, it's really cold in here.
Oh, it only would have taken a day. I hate the cold.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I was like, I've come in here half a dozen times and I'm like, why doesn't it feel warmer in here? Like, I know I don't have them turned up, but that makes a lot more sense now.
Yeah.
All right, so everything is on. And did you see this one, how it was kind of like halfway in between? So that was tripped. So everything is good, but one way to check it is just
Push it off.
just push them all the way. If there's any play in it at all, it's tripped, and then just off, wait about a second, and then turn it back on.
Should I check it often?
No, only if there's an issue.
Okay.
Yep, only if something stops working. All right. Our tenant is all checked in, super happy, and they will start moving in this afternoon. They got keys, we got checks. This one is done. This building is now 100% occupied. Now we gotta go do some renewals on a couple other tenants because they wanna stay. They love the building. We'll see you on the next one.